Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is alphabets, and we have already done alphabets from A to P. And today we move forward and learn the alphabets from Q to Z. Firstly, we revise the previous alphabets. Okay, students, firstly sit in a circle with your friends, and one by one you call out the first letter of your name. Okay, firstly sit in a circle and you call out the name, call out the first letter of your name. For example, you say like this: my name is Fateh Veer Singh, and the first letter of your name is F. Okay, you call out the letter F like this. Okay, students. After this, now I am going to show you the flashcards from letter Q to Z. First one is Q. Q is for quail, queen, and quiet. R is for robot, rain, rabbit. S is for spider, sun, star. T is for truck, train, tiger. U is for underwear, upstairs, umbrella. V is for van, vase, volcano. W is for window, watermelon, walrus. X is for snobs, x-ray, xylophone. Y is for yak, yarn, and yam. And Z is for zebra, zero, zipper. Okay, these are the flashcards from letter Q to Z. Okay, after showing these flashcards, now students, let's do an activity. In this activity, one student came in front of the class and the other student write the alphabet with the fingers from letter Q to Z on the back of that student. You can, students, you can write any letter. Okay, either it is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, any letter. Firstly, you write any letter on the back of that student with the fingers, and that student recognize that alphabet which other student write on the back. Okay, I repeat this activity again. Firstly, one student write the alphabet from Q to Z on the back of another student, and that student have to recognize the alphabet. Okay, and write, for example, one student write the alphabet R with fingers, and that student will recognize that letter. Okay, after doing this, now let's do another activity. In this activity, students, your parents will call out any alphabet from Q to Z. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, any alphabet. And you have to speak any two objects starting with that particular alphabet. For example, your parents will call out the letter S and you speak two objects from S, like S is for sun, S is for sunflower. Then next one is Z is your parents will call out the letter Z and you speak Z is for zip and Z is for zebra, like this. Okay, after doing these activities, now let's recite a rhyme. Okay, Q a queen I want to be, R a rabbit to run with me, S the sun that shines on me, T the trumpet goes ta ta ta, A an umbrella to keep me dry, V a van to take me home, Va a watch to know the time, X the X mystery for Santa to see, Y a yo-yo for me to play, J the zoo I like to go, zoo zoo zoo. Again I repeat this rhyme again. Q a queen I want to be, R a rabbit to run with me, S the sun that shines on me, T the trumpet goes ta ta ta, A an umbrella to keep me dry, V a van to take me home, Va a watch to know the time, the Xmas tree for Santa to see, Y a yo-yo for me to play, J the zoo I like to go, zoo zoo zoo. Okay, students, now you can try to do any activity at your home with your parents. Okay, students, stay connected with your school, with your teachers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.